Sixth day. Sixth day, my bird, see, is sleeping now. Now the time is around 7 o'clock IST, Indian time. It is sleeping. Let me disturb him. He is in a sleeping mode. See. Let's see what he does. I have put some millets and rice. Here you can see. So now he will play. See how active it is. But he is trying to go out. Let me leave on my floor and I'll see if he can flies. Then I'll leave him tomorrow morning. Let me see. Yeah, I left him, but he is not flying. He just flied a bit. Still, he is with me only. See, let me disturb him. Go. Go. See how beautiful it is. He is in a sleepy mode, I think. He is not going anywhere. Let me disturb him again. See, it is still sleeping. It is not going anywhere. See how beautiful it is. My bird. Thank you. Thanks.